What's up guys, your boy Jay here, and today I will be installing the street top mount intercooler for my 15 Plus WRX. I actually already installed this part, but I was too excited to film the intro. So without further ado, here's me installing the top mount intercooler in these next few clips. In the box, flip it this way, get a bunch of goodies here. So let's see what it comes with. Got a little air freshener. You got your C-clamps, another coupler, and you got some brackets for the hood scoop. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. So this is everything you get inside the box. A lot of you guys that have the 15 Plus WRX know that the intercooler is like really small, so I want to say this is a very big upgrade compared to what the stock intercooler looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open up, take off all the plastic off all these things, and I'll get a better look at it. So let's check out the quality of this. Oh wow, they even have a nice badging up front. It's pretty cool. This is the street top mount intercooler for the 15 Plus WRX. It's pretty nice. Got a big Mishimoto emblem right there. Not exactly sure what this is for, but I can find out. So yeah, if a lot of you guys that have the 15 Plus WRX, they know that it's probably like half this size, the stock one. So this is about a 4-inch core right here. Alright guys, all the parts are back in the box. Let's go over and head to the garage, load this sucker in the car, and install it in the garage. Alright guys, so this is actually what I'm going to be replacing. This is the stock intercooler for the 15 Plus WRX. This install is fairly easy. All you need is to remove the two 12mm bolts. There's one here, and then there's one right here. I may have to remove the bracket, I'm not sure. Once you remove the two, or four, 12mm bolts from the bracket, and then the one on top of the intercooler there, then the other one on that side. There is the C-clamp that's right in here towards the throttle body. So you just want to go ahead and remove that. There, I have the upgraded version with my parent charge pipe, so I actually did T-bolts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen these, and then I should be able to just wiggle this thing out.
are going to use these stock bushings on this. So you're just gonna take this out. It just slides right out. This one here as well. That one, and then you're just gonna put it in the stock location for the new intercooler, which goes right there. Once you remove your intercooler, you're going to then want to uninstall the stock throttle body coupler right here. So there is another C-clamp that's just located just a little closer. They did provide you with some new C-clamps, but I already had these T-bolts clamps sitting in my garage, so I'm actually just going to use these instead because I trust these a little more than these C-clamps here. So I went ahead and installed the coupler already. You can see it right there. What I learned was to get the coupler on a little easier. Some people use dish soap. I actually just use a little bit of oil, like not even a drop, just maybe the tip of my finger just to rub inside there so it slides on just a little easier. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys liked what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.